Hello, this is page 1 in our practice and homework journal. At the top it says count equal groups. Number 1, use tools. Abe is growing 5 plants. Each plant has 6 leaves. How many leaves are there? Draw a visual model. So you're just going to draw those plants that Abe has with leaves. So I will draw out to the side those leaves. He has 5 plants. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's kind of like the groups. Each plant has 6 leaves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And continue doing that until each plant has 6 leaves. Okay, so I'm going to count how many plants I drew just to make sure I have 5 plants. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. The next thing it asks is describe your visual model. So we have to put into words what we drew. I drew five plants with 6 leaves, 6 leaves on each. I'm going to fix that 5 because it looks just terrible. There we go. That's better. Okay, and the last question it asks for this one is, how many leaves are there? So I can count by 6s because there's 6 on this one. 6, 6. So I'm going to write the numbers at the bottom as I count by 6s, okay? There's 6, plus 6 more is 12, plus 6 more is 18, plus 6 more is 24, plus 6 more is 30. There are 30 leaves. Okay, let's try number 2. It says, it says attend to precision. Precision just means doing it carefully and correctly. Toshi has 9 planters with 4 plants in each planter. So a planter is kind of like a flower pot. So she's got 4 plants in each flower pot. Toshi has 9 planters or flower pots. First, write the numbers you say when you count by 4s to find how many plants there are. So we're just going to write 4s, kind of like we did up here when we counted by 6s. We're going to count by 4s this time. Okay, so we know she has 9 planters or flower pots. So I'm just going to remember that, I'm going to just make a little flower pot for each, a little drawing for each pot. 1, 2, and I've got to do 9 of them. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now we're going to count by 4s to see how many plants there are. There are 4 plants in each planter. So in this one there's 4, and 4 more makes 8 total. So in this one there are 4, but we're just going to keep counting 4 more. 4 more from 8 is 12. 12 plus 4 more is 16. 16 plus 4 more, 20. 24. 28. 32. 36. Next question, how many plants are there? There's our answer right there. 36. Okay, let's take a look at number 3. This one I want you to try on your own, but I will read it to you. Use structure. Count equal groups to find the total. Number 3. We've got some groups right here. Blank groups. This is a group, this is a group, this is a group, this is a group. Blank groups of blank blocks. That means how many blocks are in each. How many blocks all together. And again for number 4, blank groups of blank blocks. How many blocks all together? Okay, there's the first page. Let's take a look at the next page. Number 5 says, Shanti makes 4 equal groups of apples. Each group has 3 apples. Which visual model represents the problem? So let's look at our numbers. Shanti makes 4 equal groups of apples. Each group has 3 apples. So we're looking for 4 circles. Well, I only see one with 4 circles. It's this one down here. Let's double check that it has the right number of apples in each group. Each group has 3 apples. Let's check. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yep, it's correct. So it must be D. Okay, let's look at number 6. Luis buys 7 shirts. What is the cost of the 7 shirts? So we look over here in this image, and it shows us how much things cost. So we're looking for shirts. A shirt is $8, and he bought 7 shirts. So we could draw a picture right out here to the side to show those 7 shirts, and each one costing 8. It might look something like this. Remember, it's not art. We just need to do simple groups. 7 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so if each of these shirts costs $8, let's just write that number in each group. 8, 8, 8, 7 times. And we have to figure out if it's A, 56, B, 49, C, 28, or D, 15. Let's count by 8s. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56. Oh, there's our answer. So 7 shirts cost $56. Okay, let's look at number 7. It says, Tonya has 6 toy cars. Each toy car has 4 wheels. Describe a visual model Tonya can draw to show equal groups. So this one you'll just be writing words. I want to see how you write words to describe this visual model. It might be something like, there are 6 groups because there are 6 cars, and each car has 4, or each group has 4 in it. Okay, let's look at the last questions. Number 8, 37 plus 23. Please go ahead and stack up these numbers this way for easier adding, okay? Or easier subtracting. And remember, the first number goes on top. The bigger number goes on top. So 62 minus 48. Okay, Good luck with this problem. This page